Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain tech. Today, we're tackling a super timely topic: how to transfer Ethereum, ETH, on Trust Wallet in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, Trust Wallet remains a go-to for secure and user-friendly transactions. Whether you're sending ETH to a friend, investing, or just testing the waters, this step-by-step guide will have you transferring like a pro in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of Trust Wallet installed on your device. It's free and available on both iOS and Android. Head to your App Store and update if needed. Once you're set, open the app and unlock your wallet using your PIN, Face ID, or whatever security method you chose. Security is key in crypto, so double-check that step. Next, navigate to your wallet dashboard. You'll see a list of your assets. Scroll or search for ETH. Tap on it to open your Ethereum wallet. Now, hit the Send button, usually found at the bottom of the screen. This will bring up a form where you enter the recipient's wallet address. Pro tip: always double-check the address to avoid any costly mistakes. After that, input the amount of ETH you want to send. Trust Wallet will show you the current gas fees, which might have changed in 2025 due to network upgrades, so keep an eye on those to minimize costs. Once everything looks good, review the transaction details carefully. Hit Confirm and authorize it with your wallet's security feature. Sit tight while the transaction processes. In 2025, with advancements like faster blockchains, this should only take a minute or two. You can track the status right in the app. And just like that, you're done. Your ETH is on its way. Remember, always transfer to a trusted address and never share your private keys. If you run into any issues, Trust Wallet's support is top-notch. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more 2025 crypto guides and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next video.